So here we have the wall-mounted pressure washer. I just have it here so I can show you what we all get with it. Of course, this gets mounted on the wall, and it has a 100-foot hose. Comes with the lead hose, the inlet hose for the water, which is about, say, about 3 feet long. And we have the spray nozzle with 4 different water valves that are quick connect, different sizes, different, and the quick connect right here. And the soap, and the soap gun. Very sharp looking. The pen. The electrical hookup, and the mounting bolts and level, and instructions, of course, on how to mount it. And there we go.
Well, I've just installed this Giraffe Tools pressure washer on a 6x6 column. We'll turn it on and see if we can't have some fun. Got a 25-degree tip on here. Building up pressure. I release my trigger. It automatically shuts the machine off. That's a nice feature. Come back on. "25-degree tip. There'll be some light cleaning for sure. Nice. All in all, I think this is going to be used a hell of a lot more than my old gas-powered one. Good job, Giraffe.
Take a picture. Start the video here and work your way down to that starting point.
Oh, that's awful loud stuff, that actually. It's very tough, isn't it?
Just say, look, you only received this a couple of days ago.
Yeah, well, it
This is
did.
the first we've used it today.
Is there not,
And this is what's happened.
And all
Yeah, there is.
and all the outer line has all split up the whole way up it. So can we get the
Hose replaced?
the cable replaced
Yeah.
rather than bring the whole lot back?